In this training, we're going to review the 2018 Myecon Holiday Compensation Plan with base shop and generation examples. We advise that you refer to compensation documents 701, 702, and 705 for full details regarding the specifics of the plan. When you enroll into Myecon, you start as a marketing director. As a marketing director, you receive 40% on personal CV. CV is commission value. Myecon assigns each product or service it sells a commission value. Each product or service is assigned a CV dollar amount that is used to calculate earned commissions from Myecon associates respective to their rank and qualifications. In addition to 40% commissions on personal CV, a marketing director receives $8 for their first two personally sponsored people who purchase the income shifting membership and become marketing directors themselves. In this example, A and B are your first two enrolled income shifting membership sales. As a marketing director, you will receive $8 for each sale. Once you have personally sponsored A and B, you are promoted to the next rank, which is titled Executive Vice President. You have to meet one of two requirements to promote to Executive Vice President. Either personally enroll two new marketing directors or sell $200 of personal CV. Let's now discuss what happens to your first two personally sponsored marketing directors. You will earn a 25% match of the base shop income of these first two marketing directors once they are promoted to Executive Vice President. Please note, A or B must be promoted to the rank of Executive Vice President in order to have their own base shop. This simply means you do not earn the 25% match on their base shop until they become EVPs. 25% of $28 is $7, and 25% of $20 is $5. You will also receive 25% of what A or B earns in retail commissions. While you earn a 25% base shop match on your first two personally sponsored marketing directors, they are not in your base shop because you do not create a base shop for yourself until your third personally sponsored marketing director. Your first two marketing directors will be placed in the base shop of your immediate upline Executive Vice President. Now that you have recruited two personally sponsored marketing directors, person A and person B, you are promoted to Executive Vice President. As an Executive Vice President, you are now positioned to create base shops, beginning with the third person you sponsor. You are now qualified to also receive 60% on personal CV sales and 40% on base shop CV sales made by marketing directors in your base shop. In your base shop, you earn $28 on personally sponsored marketing directors and $20 on base shop marketing directors not personally sponsored by you. When you personally enroll your third person, which starts your base shop, we will call this person Person C. You earn a $28 commission for enrolling and selling the income shifting membership to Person C. Person C goes out and enrolls Person C1 and C2. Because C1 and C2 are in your base shop, you earn $20 each. Myecon requires that you sponsor people who want to be long-term members. We call this selling good business. As such, you must maintain a 1-month retention ratio of 75%. This simply means 75% of the associates in your base shop must pay at least their first month income shifting membership fee of $34.95. Should your retention rate drop below 75%, instead of earning $28 for personally sponsored marketing directors, you will earn $22. And instead of earning $20 on base shop marketing directors, you will earn $14. Person C has personally sponsored two marketing directors. Let's take a look at what happens next. Person C is promoted to Executive Vice President and is moved to your first generation, where Person C will remain for the life of your business. Person C1 and C2 remain in your base shop. C1 and C2 want to be promoted to Executive Vice President as well, so they each go out and sponsor two marketing directors each. Once they personally sponsor two marketing directors, C1 and C2 are promoted to Executive Vice President and move to your first generation where they will remain for the life of your business. You are paid $20 for C3, C4, C5, and C6 each. They also remain in your base shop. Now, C3, C4, C5, and C6 want to get promoted to executive vice president as well. So they work to personally sponsor new marketing directors. You are paid $20 on their first 2 marketing directors. Their first 2 marketing directors remain in your base shop, and this process repeats itself to unlimited levels. In this example, C3, C4, C5, and C6 will remain in your base shop until they personally sponsor 2 marketing directors. To better understand the earning potential with Myecon's base shop structure, let's take a look at it from a different perspective. When you personally sponsor C in your base shop, you are in position to earn $20 on every first 2 marketing directors sponsored in your base shop. Look at how large that one base shop could grow. Imagine getting paid $20 on 8,192 marketing directors. But who says you can only have one base shop? Every time you personally sponsor a new marketing director, you create another base shop. Each base shop pays $20 on the first 2 marketing directors to infinity. The question you should ask yourself is, how many base shops do I want to build? The key to building long-term stability and increased revenue is to generate as many first-generation executive vice presidents as possible. This is done by helping marketing directors in your base shop become executive vice presidents. Once they become executive vice presidents, they are moved to your first generation. Once a marketing director becomes an executive vice president, they're going to want to repeat the same process as you. They want to build as many base shops as possible and earn $20 for each marketing director sponsored in their base shop. When this happens, you continue to get paid. The amount you are paid is based on the qualified rank you are at. If you are an executive vice president, you will earn $2 every time a new marketing director is sponsored in your generations. $6 as an executive vice president gold, $10 as an executive vice president platinum, and $12 as an executive vice president infinity or CEO infinity. If you're an executive vice president, you will earn 3% on product sales in your generation, 7% as an executive vice president gold, 10% as an executive vice president platinum, 13% as an executive vice president infinity or CEO infinity. Dream Team Residuals is paid only on the associates in your generations who have paid their monthly income shifting membership fee at least 5 months and current calendar month. Income shifting membership sales are used to generate advanced upfront commissions. There is a 5-month payment waiting period before residuals are paid. This gives Myecon time to recoup the upfront advance payout. Dream Team Residuals are paid once per month and are paid according to the qualified rank. Executive Vice Presidents are paid $1 Dream Team Residual per qualified income shifting membership in their super team. Executive Vice Presidents Gold are paid $3 Dream Team Residuals. Executive Vice President Platinums are paid $5 Dream Team Residuals. Executive Vice President Infinities are paid $7 Dream Team Residuals, and CEO Infinities are paid $8 Dream Team Residuals per qualified income shifting membership in their super team. See Compensation Document 701 and 702 for specific details on the number of generations each rank is paid on. In this example, you have a first generation EVP that is building his base shop. Every marketing director in Person C's base shop is in your first generation. When a marketing director like Person C2 personally sponsors 2 marketing directors, Person C2 is promoted to Executive Vice President and moves to your second generation. Now Person C2 is building his base shop. Every marketing director in C2's base shop is in your second generation. When a marketing director like Person C10 personally sponsors 2 marketing directors, Person C10 is promoted to Executive Vice President and is moved to your third generation. This process repeats itself. Let's take a look at the potential upfront and residual pay that can be earned over a course of a year. If your team enrolls 10 new members per week, you can earn up to $200 weekly. In a year, you would have over 500 membership enrollees and can earn up to $3,500 monthly in residual income. If your team enrolls 25 new members per week, you can earn up to $500 weekly. In a year, you would have over 1,250 members and can earn up to $10,000 monthly in residual income. If your team enrolls 100 new members per week, you can earn up to $2,000 weekly. In a year, you would have over 5,000 members and can earn up to $40,000 monthly in residual income. If your team enrolls 250 new members per week, you can earn up to $5,000 weekly. In a year, you would have over 12,500 members and can earn up to $100,000 monthly in residual income. In addition to weekly commissions and monthly residual income on active memberships, you also earn 60% of the CV on personal retail product sales and up to 20% on team retail product sales. Imagine earning weekly upfront commissions and compounding monthly residual income on thousands of members. Myecon's income shifting membership and business income system simply makes sense. Thousands of people have increased their cash flow and have made Myecon one of the fastest growing companies in America. Get on board with Myecon and let's make history.